Hi, brother. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also wonderful, brother. Thank you. So, where are you calling from?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, that's great.
And where are
After
you from?
yes, actually, I'm calling from Mumbai, brother. I think you
Are
know
you
very well.
proper? Are you proper in Mumbai?
No, my born place, we can say like my native place is UP, but last 20 years I'm staying at in Mumbai with my whole family, brother.
Are you
Yeah.
living in with family?
Yes. Yeah, brother. Okay.
Oh, okay,
So what
okay.
about you, brother? What about you? Like, what's your profession? And who are you? Please tell me about yourself little bit. Then we will discuss about some interesting topic. Okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So my name is Dharmendra, and I am from MP. I am
Okay.
pursuing graduate.
Mhm.
I am in third year from political science, as well as
Okay.
I am preparing for competitive examination.
Okay. That's good. That's
I live
great.
in with my family.
Okay. Oh, I see. That's great. So, brother, like you mentioned, your name is like Dharmendra. Do you know Dharmendra? Who's he? He's actor. Do you know Dharmendra?
Yeah, Dharmendra is a famous actor.
Yes,
You know,
in Bollywood industry we can see in here
yes,
in
a
Mumbai.
lot of
Yeah.
movies gives very interesting. You know,
Okay, okay, that's great, brother. Like he made a fantastic movie. It's a long time ago, like when he was young. So he made a lots of movie. We can say like Sholay. Maybe you
yeah,
heard about. Maybe
it,
you watch
it is a
Sholay.
famous movie.
Yeah, it's like we can say like this movie awarded from India. This is,
Yeah,
fantastic movie, Sholay. Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra. It's a, good chemistry, good actor over there. They present a good role, and it was amazing. Like Thakur, Basanti, and Virupaji, like that. It's amazing. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That time a
Mhm.
very popular movie, and
Yes,
now
yes.
I watched it many times. This
Okay.
movie.
That's good, brother. So anyway, like we have a one topic, so we are going to discuss about like while speaking, brother. What is the reason why we are feeling no feeling too difficulty about speaking part about like difficulty? What is the reason why we are facing a lots of problem about while speaking English language? We can say you're getting my point.
Yeah, yeah, bro. Actually, we
Yes.
belong to Hindi medium student.
Okay.
Approximately 70 to 80% belong to Hindi medium, and we did not get a proper guidance regarding
Okay.
regarding English, and
Mhm.
I I have seen many time that we
Mhm.
have no proper environment.
Okay.
Such
Yes.
as I live in a rural place, so I have
Yeah.
no such environment. Only in the whole village, only I know English, and I know how to speak English. Otherwise, any anyone not cannot speak English, and
Mhm.
only they they crack only paper, but they do not work on English because
Okay.
they have no need till till schooling. But after
Yes.
that, we move higher study, and we move competition, and we move higher work. So we fa- we will face to very difficulty regarding English
Yes.
language.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. You are right.
So
Even
because
yeah.
I in even in lockdown, such as you made videos, such as very a lot of persons made videos. So I watched a lot of videos. After that,
Yes.
I learned how to speak English, and I learned a lot of.
That's great, brother. That's great. Just keep going. Even if you talk about my side, brother, like lots of, not you, not me. Lots of people are facing a too much problem while speaking English language. Lots of people are facing. Like if you talk about, if you yeah, before you told me like about environment, about partner, about grammar, about like we can say it's very important to brother a medium. I agree with you. Like which medium you done your study. So for example, if we talk about like I done my study from Hindi medium, from Marathi medium, from Telugu medium. So I agree with you over there. Atmosphere is not good about English language. We cannot learn English. But if you talk about after we can say graduation, after graduation, that moment, if we think about to learn, then we can say over there we have to learn, we have to create atmosphere. If you think about brother, like I was Marathi medium, I was Hindi medium, that's why region my atmosphere was not good, and right now I'm not able to understand, I'm not able to talk in front of people about communication English language. I agree with you, you are right. But brother, day by day, it's like we can say our India, our world is changing. Time is changing, brother. So we should accept this thing like, okay, no problem, doesn't matter which medium I done my study, just avoid thing, think about future. Like in future time, definitely I have to speak English language because I'm going to make a career, I'm going to work with multinational company. It's very very important. Then we have to change ourselves. Like right now, see brother, you have a good cell phone, okay, you can create yourself, like you can create an atmosphere, like just use a WhatsApp group, just create a WhatsApp group, find a who's interesting to English language, watch a YouTube video, listen podcast, try to reading a book. But the fourth thing already you created, like listening, watching, reading, and practice. This is atmosphere, brother. I know that this is not physically and mentally, this is we can say like only for practical, only for and XYZ.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Before pandemic, I was living in Bhopal. Bhopal is a big city, so I was studying there.
Okay.
So there, I had no mobile that time. In lockdown, I firstly I I buy mobile. After that, I think what to do now. I have Android mobile, so I can do a lot of work. So firstly, I think what to do, what use of Android mobile. So I think yes, I can I can learn my course related. I can learn I can learn competitive examination questions. I can take classes. So
Mhm.
I firstly 3 months I take competitive exams classes. After that I think why not we learn English. So after that I take classes of I watched English related classes, how to speak
Mhm.
English and grammar related and how to start English. So I watched a lot of videos after that.
Okay.
So
That's great.
I I learned it only through mobile.
Okay. Yeah,
The
this is
whole
great.
English.
Yeah, this is great thing, brother. So I'm going to tell you, like whoever getting who are facing a problem about while speaking about difficulty to English language. So I'm going to give a solution, brother. Like you, like me, like stranger people. I'm going to give an answer. What we should do. Like we first thing we have to understand why English is important our life. If we get the answer, then try to work. I'm going to, like how to be practice. I'm going to tell everything in this video. Okay. First thing, brother, we should try to listen. We should try to listen more and more. Okay, this is like if you try to listen, you will clarify about English language. Second thing, brother, if you're not interested in reading part, it's okay, don't read. Third thing, don't learn any kind of grammar part. Don't learn. Avoid a grammar part, brother. It's not gonna work seriously. Okay. Third thing, brother, just try to watch videos. We can see YouTube videos, podcast videos, conversation video, and just observe the people, like how they are talking, how to they are telling expression, emotion, eye contact, everything. Just observe a people. So if you get this thing, brother, if you realize like this is base, we can say this is English base, brother. If you remember or thing always, okay, definitely you can learn English language. Just try to yourself, just try to talk to yourself. For example, like I'm going to discuss with you simple topic like introduction. This is so simple topic, brother. If I tell me about your introduction, definitely you will tell me at least 5 minutes. Am I right? Introduction. So
Yes,
brother,
yes.
hesitation, without fear, you can just tell me your introduction 5 to 10 minutes. So just think about, if you practice whole day, if you practice 1 month, 2 months, then you will become a master. So over there, we cannot say like we don't have an atmosphere. I'm facing a little bit difficulty while speaking conversation. We can destroy our fear. We can destroy our hesitation, brother. If we practice honestly, if you practice more and more English language, you can learn, brother. Even
Yeah.
even what happened, lots of people talk about with me, brother. I'm facing too much problem about speaking, about like understanding, about grammar part, about reading part. So always I suggest, like in front of, don't do that. We can say learning, we can say like just avoid the grammar, avoid the reading. If you're not interested, then avoid the reading part. Just try to
Yeah,
practice.
brother. Yeah.
Just
Yes,
try
yes.
to more and more. Yeah.
Yeah, brother. My way to learning English.
Okay.
Firstly, I um, I was reading sixth, seventh, eighth normally books.
Mm-hmm.
Books
Okay.
so that I have enough vocab so that I can express myself easily. After that, I try to listen English movies and especially news.
Okay.
So, and after that, I can write, which
Okay. You're right.
which
Mm-hmm.
yes, which I listen and which I think. So I can try to write.
Okay.
I think it is a big point for me. I can write
Yes.
a lot of content regarding me how I learned English and why I need to learn English. So
Mm-hmm. Okay.
uh, and I asked many questions myself. What
Okay.
is your name? What is your purpose? Why you want to learn English? And
Mhm.
suppose that you in front sit your friend, your ma'am, yeah, your family member. What you talk
Mhm.
to in English? What
Mhm.
you ask? What you want to ask any question? And what type you can reply answer? And
Mhm.
I write. Even today I write
Oh, I
any.
see that. Okay.
I try to myself every day, uh, even 10 minutes to 15 minute recorded video myself.
Oh my God. Really? Okay. That's good, man. See, literally, this is, I agree with you. This is great point, brother. This is plus point. If you try to record yourself like about your video, about your audio, definitely you will learn 100%. You can observe yourself like in a video, how I'm speaking, how I'm learning, what's my expression, what's my tone, what's my vocabulary, what's my story, everything, brother. You can find your mistake in recording part. So this is plus point, brother. You know why people talk about like I'm getting a difficulty about English language? Because they fear, they afraid in front of people. They always think about like, if I try to tell in front of people, if I try to talk in front of people like English, okay, then people try to judge me, people try to tone me, people try to correct me, bad way, not good way. This is our mentality, brother. We already think about, but this is not reality. This is just illusion.